Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to create a landing page with ConvertKit. So first, just simply go to the ConvertKit website, and after that, just simply go to the globe over here at the top, and the drop down will show up, and click on this one, landing page and forms. And from here, you should be able to see create a landing page. And after that, guys, just simply go ahead and select a template over here. And on the left side, you should be able to see here multiple categories, so you can narrow down what template that you prefer. So pretty much it will be depending on you, and you can choose any template over here. So let's say I'm gonna go for my profile, and let's say I want this one over here, and click on choose, and you can preview it as well over here. So now when you click on choose, guys, it will redirect you to the editing page. And from here, when you click on it, you can change it right away. So let's say I'm going to change my title over here. Life is love. And from here, you can change some description as well. So pretty much these templates allow you to edit it right away. And it will make the landing page for you. And on the left side, you should be able to see here multiple options on how you want it to look like. And guys, when you click on general styles over here, you can change the photo as well. And from here, you can change multiple colors and text. And if you want to add a page, you can just simply click on this one to add one. And once you are done, you can just simply click on save and click on publish over here on the top right. And from there, you should be able to create your landing page, and you can just copy this one and paste it, and you should be able to see your landing page. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.